Welcome to Life Science Insights Podcast. I'm your host, Sandil Karnanidhi.
The systems that we are developing to address this need for high automation and high integration. So giving you one example.
Well, back in 2008, obviously it was a funny time because we had the financial crash at the time as well. I've been working
So
for...
the early phase, unfortunately, it focuses only what is required at that point in time. It does not focus
journey
the
into science started a long way from here in Tamil Nadu, India, where I got my start researching biotechnology.
So there are lots of things we can do to try to create, that cohesiveness.
Art form with some science, and in later years up to where we are now has become more scientific in nature.
YC typically has the notion of that they're primarily focused on B2B SaaS.
Start keeping it small, start with an Excel sheet, what you need.
Professionally, I learned a lot. Also because it was a young startup environment, there was a lot of transparency.
Just solving a part of the problem alone or part of the workflow alone is not going to...
it faster because their products need to come out faster. FD always wants it careful and slow because...
In order to survive, you have to be an optimist. Right? Otherwise, you're just going to throw in your cards, throw in the towel, and walk away.
AI and tech are impacting every single vertical, but especially medtech and life science.
That allow us to go from what we'll call an algorithmic
So many
state.
tech providers, for example, that are leaning into AI and trying to build tools for this industry.
Predictive analytics and AI can only be transformative if it is grounded in the
But it's
truth.
always a balance of that. And there have been some folks who said, I really want to work on this thing. And it's like, well, we're really not doing
People,
that thing.
Need different messages. So I think part of it was certainly
some of the manual tasks while you can get your life back, work on more strategic.
Practically, what does that mean? Well, we work with real world data and multi-omics data.
Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the conversation. It was truly an interesting and insightful discussion. Thank you again for your time.